Hello everyone, watchers of Mumin Al Makki channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you subscribe my channel and press the notification button. I am very happy you are watching me now. Our topic for today is Warren Buffett ways of investing. As you know, Warren Buffett is the fourth richest man in the world. He is a self-made billionaire. He made his money on stock investing and only on stock investing. He bought his first stock when he was less than 15 years old. It was actually 3 stocks. He bought them before he went to the high school. He worked as a newspaper deliverer. He paid taxes when he was 16. He bought machines and he put them in restaurants in order to get money. And as a result of that, he became very rich. He bought 50 hectares before he goes to college and he rented them to cover his college expenses. His father was a businessman. He was also in Congress. In college, uh, Warren Buffett met his first teacher, and it was a very wonderful teacher. His name is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin wrote his first book is Intelligent Investor. It was a very good book and made a very big row. I hope you read this book too. Warren Buffett went to Columbia University and there he met his teacher, Benjamin Franklin. And after college, Warren and Benjamin Franklin started together a company. Warren was very fascinated with his teacher's method of buying stocks and selling them, which we will cover in this video later. Warren Buffett was so interested of buying businesses that were 6 months or a year to get down. He called them secrets, but he changed this method and he focused on buying very big companies where the net income isn't very high but it's more stable because the equity of the company is very high. Now Warren Buffett is one of the greatest investors in Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the New York Exchange stock market. Now let us move to his methods of buying stocks. Warren Buffett focused in intrinsic value of the company. He doesn't care how much the company is worth, how much the company share or is worth or the stock is worth. He calculated the intrinsic value of the stock by doing certain things. Number 2, what is these certain things? If you want to buy any stock in any company, you have to know 3 things. The first thing you have to know is the intrinsic value. The first things that you have to know, is the net income. The net income of the company. Then you have to know the equity and the numbers of shares. These 3 are very important. Let us take by example John. Somebody is named John. He has a company. This company whole money is $10,000 by example, and the net income is $2,000 in a year. I will let all this information in the description button. The net income is $2,000. The whole money the company has is $10,000. The equity is $3,000. The stock of the company is $10. Is it a good business or no? Now we will know. You have to know how to calculate the equity. Equity is assets minus liabilities. Assets like real estate, stocks in other company, this company's own, John's company own, and many other things can be like number of cars and like this. Liabilities can be debt, salary, employees they need a salary every month, he have to pay that, and many other things, like rent of the real estate the company rented. Then we have to calculate the equity per share. We said that the total equity is assets minus liabilities. That's minus liabilities. In this example, it's 3,000. But we want to calculate it per share, which is 3,000, the total equity, divided to the numbers of shares. The numbers of shares is 1,000. It is 1,000 shares. Total equity, which is 3,000, divided to 1,000, which is $3. That's like very good equity. It's like 30% equity. Then we have to calculate the net income. The net income in this example is 2,000, and the numbers of share is 1,000. The net income per share is the net income, the total net income divided to the numbers of share, which is 2,000 divided to 1,000, which is $2. $2 per share. That's quite very big. It's not quite good. It's very good. After that, we have to work out the price per earning ratio. What's the price per earning ratio? The price of the stock is $10, and the earnings after a year is $2. It's 10 divided to 2, which is 5. That's very good. Also, every $5 look at this sentence, please, and try to write it down. That means every $5 I spent buying this stock, I will get $1 in profit the next year later. Then we have to calculate price to book value. That means the equity. Book value here means the equity. I don't know why the stock exchanges change the name from equity to book value, but it's the same. The price to book value. The price per stock is $10, and the equity is $3. We have to divide the $10 by $3, which is $3.3. That means, please summarize this next phrase or this next sentence. Every $3.3 I spent buying this company, I has $1 in big value. That's really great, because if the company broke down now and you have bought $3.3, you will get $1. That's very great. That you will. That's like you are putting your money in a bond. It's not like stock. The last thing is price to earning. By price to book value. Price to earning to price to book value. Price to earning is 5. Price to earning, we calculated it, it's 5. Price to book value, we also calculated it, it's 3.3. That's equal with when we said 5 by 3.3, it's 16.5. That's really great and brilliant. If I find this video this company, I would put all my money in it. How I know this 16.5 is a good number? That's because the price to earning by price to book value, when it is less than 22.5, or when it is 22.5, that's really a great company. Then we take all this information and we put them in Khartoum Exchange stock which in Arabic we call it السوق الخرطوم للأوراق المالية. This we will go to Shahama's bond or Shahama's stock. Shahama's stock the same is when you put or every £6 you put in Shahama Shahama stock, you will get after 1 year £1 in profit. That's also really good. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, press the notification button, and share all my videos. And I forget to celebrate with you with my first 109 views. That's a very good event for me. It's like a reward for my hard work. Alhamdulillah, that's from Allah, alhamdulillah, and that's like reward for my work the last 6 months. I have been filming videos for 6 months. This is like a reward, and that I went over 109 views. That's very great for me. Please subscribe my channel, watch all my videos. Thank you very much.